Welcome to Talking with Fred. In this week's devotion of Counting the Omer, we're looking at the Hebrew word for strength, and that word in the Hebrew is gavara. The word covers the power to express and maintain order and justice. Gavara is understood as God's way of punishing evil and judging humanity in general. It is the basis for rigor, absolute adherence to the letter of the law, and the strict measurement of justice. In many ways, it stands in opposition to the Hebrew idea of hesed, or love. When we speak of God's primary practices as being Hesed's kindness and abdication of responsibility versus Gavara's rigor and responsibility, it is called strength because of the power of God's absolute judgment. Where we connect to God's care through Hesed, we experience his godliness in his Gavara, or his strength. Now, all Hebrew letters have a numerical value. And for some Jews, this often actually means more than the actual meaning of the word. The numerical value of the word Gavara is 216, and the value of Hesed is 72, which leads many to interpret the relationship between the just strength and the merciful love of God by a factor of 1 to 3. 216 equals 3 times 72. For every discipline, for every rule, for every law, there is 3 times as much love. Isn't that what God is? The Bible says that God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son for us, because the wages of sin is death. It is this revealing of his strength and power to share the love of God that Pentecost is all about.